Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So given the value of n, that is 10, so you have to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers and print it onto the standard output. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So natural numbers are numbers, that is positive numbers that starts from 1 to infinity. So as we know the value of 1 to n, that is 10, so we have to just find the, that is add the numbers from 1 to 10 and print it onto the standard output. So here the, that is will not be using the formula, that is n multiplied by n plus 1, so that is divided by 2. So this is a direct formula to find the sum of first 10, that is first n natural numbers. So instead of this formula, so we'll be using the for loop to iterate, and that is iterate and find the first 10 natural numbers. So let's take a variable, that is number, and let's initialize it to 10. So given the value set is 10 as here, so I am taking a variable. So if the something like number changes here, that is question changes, and you can also modify here. Since the value is 10, so I am just taking the, that is number as 10. So this is the variable. So now what we do is we try to take another variable to store the sum of first 10 natural numbers and initialize it to 0. So this will be the variable I'll be using for adding the all the numbers from 1 to 10 using the for loop. So let's use the for loop, that is for index in range of 1 to number plus 1. So in order to consider the outbound value, that is 10, so I am using the number plus 1. So inside the for loop will be iterating and taking the total variable and adding the value of index to it. Yeah, so once the that is for loop complete, so we'll be having this variable that is storing the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So let me print, that is print the total value. So let me copy paste the same, that is the sum of first 10 natural numbers is, so let's give colon, and in the flower braces, so let's print the total value. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So let me execute this and let me show you how it works. So you can see the sum of first 10 natural numbers is 55. So yeah, so this is a complete Python program to find the sum of first 10 natural numbers. So if the value of 10 changes, you can also modify here and get the appropriate result. So you can also modify this is just a message. So yeah, so this is a complete Python program. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.